Good morning. All of a sudden I couldn't talk. Good morning. Today I'm back with Ginger's Corner and we are doing our scraps to embellishment, and the theme is breaking news. Create a flower embellishment with book or newsprint paper. Use at least 2 layers. So she always counts inking as 2 layers. So I actually probably have 3, maybe 4 layers. So I actually had a Gone with the Wind book that I don't remember where I got it, but it got damaged, and so whenever I want a book paper, I just go and get that because I think, oh, at least it's Gone with the Wind. So I cut out these. These were some flowers I actually, the die I purchased on Amazon. And it was before I ever purchased on Temu was when I bought this die. So I'm using, what's my ink? Kitsch Flamingo, and it's ink. And I'm gonna ink my flower petals. And I'm not inking the center, so I'm doing more darker towards the outside. Well, except for I think really most flowers are darker in the middle, but mine are going to be the opposite. They're not actually going to be real dark anyway, because it's not, this one actually looks a little darker than the other ones, but the paper is a little bit fragile, so I'm actually going to line it with, you know, my, what is it, probably my 80-pound cardstock. I think that's it, although it's 65, I'm not sure, because it actually was a scrap on my table. Oh, I got a piece of stickers, sticker letters from working on those. That was a job and a half. Okay, so that one looks pretty good. Trying to get a little darker so I can just get it done a little faster. I don't know if it would have been easier just to use the brush or the sponge, but I thought I might tear the book paper. I might, I don't know if I could actually die cut it after inking it and still kind of leave the, I want the, you know, to be, you know, white, a little whiter in the center. I don't know if I could finagle that or not. Oh, and sorry about my nails. We were digging in the dirt, planting the garden the other day, so it's like I still have not repaired my nails or redone them, so I've been walking around with tacky nails. Hopefully I'll get it done tomorrow before church, because I don't like, I hate looking at tacky nails, especially on my own self. I love this flower. I think this is a really pretty flower. And I kind of curled them up on the end. Okay, so I've got that done. And I'm gonna do the leaves. And I'm using Rustic Wilderness. And this is a oxide ink. Or is it still an ink when it's oxide? I don't know. I don't know at all. I know you're not supposed to mix them, but that's kind of it. I am managing to get this a little darker. Okay, I think that's good there. Okay, and then I'm going to rebuild them, or I'm gonna build them with their pieces. So I'm gonna do this first. Suppose I could come in a little closer. Okay, that's good. I'll do my best to stay in the screen. I'm really bad at it. I need to mark my table again. But you think having the mat here should help. Okay, and I'm just actually gluing kind of where the veins are that I can see in the leaves, so I can kind of pull up the leaves a little bit and maybe let there be like a little bit of both of them show. So I'm doing that again. So I'm just kind of curling up the edges a little bit and then kind of rolling the leaf up too. And you can see the veins real good. There, I think you can see them there. Ah! Beware of screaming woman. You know, I do that like when I run out of glue too. It's like such a shock, even though the last couple times I kind of knew when it was going to run out, so it's like it wasn't so frightening. Otherwise, it's always like such a shock when all of a sudden you're going right along and all of a sudden all the tape comes to an end. Okay, that's pretty good there. And it was really funny because I actually was working on my other project and almost forgot about this. And it's like I've been thinking about it for days because I thought, oh, that'll be so fun to, you know, work with a book page. So it's like I knew what I was going to do. I just didn't have a chance to get it done. Okay. And again, I just kind of went in the score lines of the flower. And I'm just going to kind of roll up the ends. And so they're still, the petals are still separate. I thought about making them pink too, but I kind of like the idea of having another color underneath, or I guess lack of color. Okay, and I gotta find how it goes together. It's not it. Oh, I think it goes like this. The petals are all just a little bit different, so you can kind of find your spot. And I know people like roll these with the pencil or something, but it's like I haven't learned that yet, so I'm just curling it with my fingers. Okay, now I gotta find my spot again. And let's see, where does it look like it needs to be? I think it goes like this. Okay, I have a little hard time separating these ones because it's tinier. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna try to keep them upright, and the words upright. Okay. And this is a big one. Yep. Okay. So this one is gonna go on this one. all the words on here is something about her eyes. Okay, and this is the next biggest leaf, so I'm putting it on this one. And they'll all end up probably a little different because I'm trying to, you know, make the words go in, not upside down. So they'll be however they need to be to keep the words straight. Here is something silence. As I was reading a page one time that I was going to use, it's like I just realized how depressing the whole movie is. Okay, so I'm going to use a bigger one in this one, and a smaller one in this one, and I'll probably use another one of these small ones in that one too. Okay, so I'm just using some vintage buttons that I've had for a long time. I love them. I've made lots of things with them. The white is my favorite. I don't know why. They are. Okay, so each of my swap people, my swap team, yeah, we'll get 3 flowers. So that's it for the embellishment for today. And down below I will have everybody who's in the swap list, or not in the swap, everybody who is making embellishments for the swap will be listed below. And I'm gonna put them off here so you can see them on this wood paper because I know it looks better. And so go over and check out and see what kind of flowers they've made. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Close-ups at the end. Bye-bye.